Are you looking to unlock the secrets of a highly efficient workforce? Look no further, because this video will give you an ultimate guide to boost your employee productivity. From nurturing a positive work environment to leveraging cutting-edge technology, I'll share actionable tips and strategies to revolutionize your approach to productivity. So get ready to inspire greatness and achieve unparalleled success. But before all this, I request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. And by the end, if you find the tips useful for your workplace, then don't forget to like the video. Beginning to understand what is employee performance tracking. So one of the most important functions as a business owner or manager is measuring how well your employees are doing. Are they on board with your goals and mission? And you want to know they are focusing on those objectives and meeting or exceeding your expectations or not. Employee performance tracking is critical to ensure that your organization operates efficiently and meets its strategic goals. If your organization wants to effectively track and improve employee performance, you need to understand the role your employees play in meeting the organization's objectives and implement the appropriate tools and practices to track and support them. So in this video, you will learn how to monitor staff performance using a combination of goal-setting, employee performance trackers, continuous communication, and project management tools. Now let's understand why it matters. You may have heard the term performance management and thought it was just another business buzzword. But in reality, performance management refers to everything you do that touches on your employees' work, productivity, and performance. It includes everything from gathering information about your workers to analyzing their strengths and weaknesses in detail. So where do you start with? The first step is to gather objective information about how well your employees are meeting your company or department goals. That's where employee performance tracking comes in. So before we delve deeper into the topic, have a look to all the systems benefits in the workplace. However, the benefits mentioned here will solely depend on the correct implementation of the employee performance tracking system. So leaders need to align the system with the work culture to use it in the best possible way. You need to make the best use of employee strengths while minimizing their weaknesses to become proficient in their work field. Why is it really important to increase employee productivity? So increasing employee productivity is essential for achieving both short-term and long-term business objectives. From the organization perspective, improved productivity means achieving more with the same or fewer resources. So organizations can reduce cost, minimize waste, and make efficient use of time, equipment, and workforce. High performance can have a huge impact on increasing business profitability, because more productive employee can also help organizations stay competitive in the market. They can produce goods and services more efficiently, allowing companies to offer competitive prices, better quality, or faster delivery. Whereas from employees' perspective, it can lead to career advancement opportunities, more job security, recognition, and rewards, such as bonuses and salary increases, skill development, and less overtime. When employees are productive during regular working hours, there is less need for overtime. On the other hand, for team managers, increasing employee productivity is critical for achieving team goals, optimizing resources, maintaining a competitive edge, and ensuring team and organizational success. So productive teams are better positioned to adapt to change, solve problems, and drive innovation, ultimately contributing to a thriving and efficient workplace. Now coming to the main part of the video, that is to see how to improve the employee productivity. So firstly, time tracking is one of the most effective ways to improve employee productivity, because it allows you to measure time spent on activities accurately. It also promotes self-awareness and accountability among employees. When they are aware that their work hours are being tracked, they tend to become more conscious of how they utilize their time. Moreover, time tracking helps in the identification of productivity bottlenecks and areas where additional training or resources may be needed. If certain tasks consistently takes longer to complete, It may indicate a need for additional training or a reassessment of the tools and resources available to the employee. Secondly, productivity tools and applications can significantly boost employee productivity when efficiently integrated into the workspace. These are task and project management tools that help teams organize tasks, set priorities, and track progress. So as I mentioned previously, time tracking apps allows team to monitor and identify time-wasting activities and optimize their time management. Scheduling applications and team communication apps also help employees manage their appointments, meetings, and deadlines, as well as analytics and data visualization that helps organization make data-driven decisions by providing insights and visualization of key performance matrices. So by integrating productivity applications into daily workflows, companies can improve efficiency and reduce administrative overhead, minimizing errors and enhance collaboration. Thirdly, time management training for employee is an effective way of improving employee productivity because employees can acquire various skills and techniques that enable them to manage their time and tasks better. So one of the key benefits is priority setting, wherein employees learn to identify and prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines, ensuring that they allocate their time to most crucial activities. So this approach helps them to improve work efficiency and effectiveness, and it also helps them to understand how to break down complex projects into smaller and more manageable components and how to do effective planning. They gain the ability to create well-structured schedules encompassing daily, weekly, and monthly planning. So such planning can help allocate time to different tasks and projects, reducing the risk of missing deadlines and helping employees stay organized. Next, prioritization techniques are crucial for improving productivity by helping teams focus on the most important tasks and activities. One of the key benefits of prioritization technique is their ability to facilitate efficient resource allocation. They enable individuals to direct their time, energy, and resources more effectively and optimize their efforts towards the most important tasks. A very important aspect of prioritization technique is their role in stress reduction, because by approaching tasks in order of importance, employees can manage their responsibilities more effectively and regain a sense of control over their work, ultimately mitigating stress. Setting clear and realistic goals is also important for several reasons, and it is a cornerstone of employee productivity improvement because they help employees prioritize, focus on results, and make informed decisions. So, a well-defined goals give employees a greater sense of direction and purpose. They know exactly what they need to achieve and can focus on tasks that align with those goals, reducing the risk of distractions and time-wasting activities. So clear goals can also help create intrinsic motivation. Employees are more engaged and committed to their work when they understand how their efforts contribute to the achievement of organizational objectives. Next step says that work-life balance is essential for improving productivity because it contributes to employees' overall well-being and mental health. A proper work-life balance helps prevent burnout, increase motivation, improves focus and concentration, enhances creativity, and reduces stress. So organizations that promote work-life balance also tend to have higher employee loyalty and retention rate and higher job satisfaction, which increases overall productivity. The next step is to have a positive workplace culture which cultivates a sense of well-being, motivation, collaboration among employees. Because when individuals feel supported, valued, and comfortable in their work environment, they are more likely to invest their energy and enthusiasm into their tasks. So a positive atmosphere also encourages open communication, constructive feedback, and teamwork, which are all essential for problem solving and creativity. Another important point is that by providing employees with opportunities to enhance their skills and knowledge, employers empower them to perform their jobs more effectively and efficiently. Training programs to develop and enhance soft skill, creativity, and leadership skills are also very useful to boost employees' productivity. So as employees gain confidence in their abilities, they become more competent in their roles. Many people believe that when you're multitasking, you are being highly productive, when in fact multitasking can reduce productivity and efficiency. because multitasking can lead to increased errors and be a time waste as well. So it is more effective to concentrate on one task at a time, leading to improved quality and productivity than trying to do multiple tasks at the same time. Feedback is crucial when managing a high performer and an effective way to increase employee performance because it offers more clarity regarding expectations and goals. So when employees receive specific and actionable feedback, they can align their efforts with organizational objectives, ensuring they are working on the right task and priorities. When feedback is delivered regularly and effectively, employees are better equipped to align their efforts with organizational goals, continuously improve their performance and contribute to a more productive workplace. So task delegation is another valuable strategy for improving employee productivity in the workplace. When done effectively, it is not only lightens an employee's workload but also empowers others to contribute to the team's success. It also enhances overall productivity and efficiency because it allows employees to focus on their core competencies and areas of expertise. So when employees work on tasks that align with their skills and strengths, they are more likely to excel and complete tasks more efficiently. So your confidence in their ability fosters self-assurance and boosts their sense of pride and commitment to the team's success. In the next step, you need to use focus and concentration apps which help employees to concentrate on their daily tasks through different techniques like Pomodoro method, which involves the work intervals followed by short breaks, promoting sustained focus. So by leveraging technology to increase concentration and productivity, these apps have become essential tools for people who want to optimize their work habits and achieve greater efficiency in their tasks. In the next step, a dedicated workspace helps to minimize distractions, whether employees work at office or from home. Having a well-organized and proper workspace is essential to help increase productivity. You can create visual cues and reminders to help people stay on schedule and allocate time for different tasks. Use tools and applications to reduce time spent searching for information or setting up different equipments, and have personalized space to ensure access to relevant documents and reference materials. Routines also help employees allocate their time effectively, because when you have a set routine, you are more likely to prioritize tasks, allocate specific time blocks for different activities, and avoid wasting time on unproductive or non-essential activities. It also contributes to consistency, which is one of the keys to productivity. So whether it's a daily routine, weekly routine, or task-specific routine, having a well-planned and disciplined approach to work can lead to significant productivity. Now, this one is a practical step towards increasing employee productivity. That is, by eliminating unnecessary meetings, team managers can prioritize meetings that truly require collaboration and decision-making. You can also reduce the number and duration of meetings to free up more time for productive work and ensure that meetings have clear agendas and objectives. Now, these are very strategic ways of improving employee productivity and keeping employees motivated, because they inspire employees to put forth their best efforts and exceed performance expectations, driving increased productivity. So recognizing and reward employees for their hard work and achievements, and implement incentive programs that align with the productivity goals. Next, you should foster a culture of continuous improvement where employees are encouraged to suggest and implement process enhancements, because continuous improvement often involves collaboration between teams and departments, which fosters a sense of teamwork and shared goals, leading to improved communication and productivity. It also encourages innovation, as employees are more likely to share new ideas and technologies. Another important factor is that a culture of continuous improvement encourages adaptability, because organizations that embrace change and adapt quickly are more likely to stay competitive and efficient in rapidly changing environments. Lastly, conduct a comprehensive evaluation of your team to identify both areas of weakness and areas of strength. So recognizing weakness helps you to work on target improvement effort, while acknowledging strengths enables you to leverage them for enhanced team performance and success. Thanks for watching this video and stay connected with HR Administ. I request you to please like the video and share this video with your peers and colleagues in order to spread the information, and please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get connected with HR Administ and to get the access with such useful informations in future.